In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap faces in Photopea. We'll cover importing your images, selecting and placing the face, blending it cleanly, matching colors, and exporting a polished result, all with simple, non-destructive techniques. Start by opening Photopea in your browser. Choose File, then Open, and load your main photo. Next, open the second image that contains the face you want to use. You'll see both files in separate tabs, which makes switching between them easy. Move to the second image and pick either the lasso tool or the quick selection tool. Carefully outline the face area, including the eyes, nose, mouth, and a little surrounding skin for a natural blend. If you prefer softer edges automatically, go to Select, then Modify, Feather, and set a value around 5 to 15 pixels before you copy. Once your selection looks good, press Ctrl+C to copy it. Switch to the main photo and press Ctrl+V to paste. Photopea places the face on a new layer so you can edit it without altering the original background. Now position it. Press Ctrl+T to enter Free Transform. Resize from the corners and rotate slightly as needed, aiming to align the eyes, nose, and mouth with the features beneath. Take a moment to compare proportions so it feels natural, then press Enter to apply the transform. Blending is the key step. With the face layer selected, click Add Layer Mask at the bottom of the Layers panel. Choose the brush tool, select a soft round brush and set the color to black. Gently paint along the edges of the pasted face to hide hard lines and reveal the underlying skin. Work slowly and build up the blend with light strokes. If you remove too much, switch the brush color to white to restore areas on the mask. This approach is non-destructive and easy to refine. Next, match color and lighting so the face belongs in the scene. With the face layer active, open Image, Adjustments, and try Brightness and Contrast for exposure, or use Color Balance and Hue Saturation to fine-tune skin tone. Make small adjustments while comparing to nearby skin and shadows until everything feels consistent. For final touches, lightly run the blur tool along the merge line to soften any remaining seams. If you spot mismatched texture or tiny gaps, use the clone stamp tool at a low opacity to borrow nearby skin and blend problem areas. Zoom in to clean up details around the hairline, jaw, and edges. When you're happy, go to File, Export As, choose JPG or PNG, and save your final image. That's the complete workflow for a clean, convincing face swap in Photopea.